The A sound is a short, mid-central, and rounded vowel commonly found in American English. It's often referred to as the stressed schwa because it sounds somewhat similar to the schwa sound, but this sound occurs in stressed syllables. The schwa doesn't. The A sound is most frequently represented by the letter U in English, but it can also appear in words spelled with the letter O, or other vowels in specific cases. Before practicing words, make sure your mouth is in the correct position. The jaw drops just a little bit. Lips are neutral, not rounded or spread. The tongue is relaxed in the middle of the mouth. Try saying ah while keeping your mouth relaxed. This is the base sound of this vowel. This is the sound we make when we think about something in English. What was the name of this thing? Repeat each word slowly and clearly. Try to exaggerate the sound a little bit. But, cut, fun, lunch, love, come, some, money, young, country, double, blood, flood. Now, practice contrasting the vowel with similar vowel sounds. Say each pair slowly, making the vowel sound as clear as possible. Cut, cat, cut, cat, luck, lock, hut, hot, cup, cop, cop, fun, fan. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Say the following sentences slowly, making sure to pronounce the vowel clearly. The sun is up, but it's still cold. The sun is up, but it's still cold. Some money is better than none. Some money is better than none. I love running in the summer. I love running in the summer. My cousin loves fun country music. My cousin loves fun country music. The puppy jumped under the truck. The puppy jumped under the truck. Final exercise. Try saying these tongue twisters slowly and gradually increase the speed. A bunch of bugs in a bunch of mud. A bunch of bugs in a bunch of mud. A bunch of bugs in a bunch of mud. Funny bunnies love sunny summers. Funny bunnies love sunny summers. Funny bunnies love sunny summers. Some lucky ducks love muddy puddles. Some lucky ducks love muddy puddles. Some lucky ducks love muddy puddles. Now, I know I told you that was the last exercise. Guess what? I lied. You are going to complete the final exercise at home. Listen and shadowing practice. Find audio recordings of native speakers and shadow them. You can use these resources. This is a crucial step because once you have mastered the correct pronunciation of the vowel, you need to train yourself to recognize it in real everyday English. See you in the next video.